So, ito na nga. I think I just found a hidden paradise in Palawan. And it's not El Nido or Coron or even Balabac Island. This is Binga Beach Resort in San Vicente, Palawan. Other side nga pala to ng Port Barton. Say hello sa welcome committee nila. This area nga pala is the restaurant and the reception area. They also have wifi so hindi kayo magkakaproblema. After namin mag-lunch, pumunta na kami sa room. This is their seaside cabin that can accommodate up to 4 packs. Take note lang na walang aircon ang rooms pero sobrang lamig sa gabi. Each room, merong sariling wifi. So, if you're working remotely, wag kayong mag-alala. Malakas din yung signal ng Globe. Also, for the room type, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath. Also, meron kayong sariling patio. Kahit na secluded yung area, meron naman silang ino-offer na activities like this. And konting walk lang, andyan na yung dagat. Diba? Ayan lang yung pathway. Sobrang sakto talaga sa gising ko kasi ayan, sunset na. Since summer yung punta namin, expected na naming malumot talaga. Pero sa morning, wala naman talagang lumot. On our day 2, nagbook kami ng island hopping. And nakaschedule siya ng hapon. The resort offers exclusivity. Meaning to say, walang nearby restaurant. Pero okay lang kasi may in-house restaurant naman ang resort. Also, this place is for those na gusto talaga mag-chill. Yung secluded and walang itinerary. Kaya, after breakfast, nag-swimming lang kami. Also, don't forget your insect repellent. After our morning chill, nag-lunch na rin kami. Ito nga pala yung menu nila. Surprisingly, sobrang presko dito. I don't know why. Maybe because hindi pa siya crowded. Sobrang perfect din talaga ng place na to if may mga bata kayong kasama. So, yung 3 p.m. namin is nakaschedule for the island hopping. What surprised me the most is yung staff nila sobrang hands-on sa guests. Ang first stop namin is the snorkeling area. Naku, sobrang nag-enjoy yung alaga ko dito. How was it? Next stop natin and also the last stop is the emergency island. Ito talaga yung beach na naliguan namin ng bongga. Sobrang pino ng sand, sobrang puti, lahat na. And the sunset, so divine. Jellyfish season nga daw pala nung punta namin. Sobrang cute kasi naabutan namin yung sunset. Pinaka nagustuhan ko dito kasi sa sobrang secluded niya, wala kaming kasamang mag-swimming sa beach. Also, we had the honor to meet Sir Phil, part owner of the resort. Sobrang hands-on niya. I mean, tingnan nyo naman, nakikipag-jump pa siya sa ibang guests. So nice, diba? On our day 3 is uwian na. Medyo nalungkot kami and nabitin kasi sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami. Ito talaga yung tinatawag na reset button. On our way back to San Vicente Van Terminal, dinaan kami ni Sir Ace dito sa bato ni Ningning View where you can see yung pinakamahabang stretch ng beach sa Philippines. I will also share kung paanong haba kami nakarating dito and bumalik sa Puerto Princesa. Pero sa different video na lang kasi masyado nang mahaba. If you have time, please try Ka Joel. Grabe Palawan, ang ganda mo talaga. See you next time. Bye!